Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you're subscribing just so you support your girl, because you know I need the love and support from you. So I tried to record this video and this is my second time, so I've already opened a few boxes, but that's besides the point. So I don't know, like I was saying, I don't know how I'm gonna name this video, but it's more than likely gonna be my 2022 must-have to a hot girl summer. So a little backstory. So since January 1st hit, it's not a go or anything like that, but I mentally told myself that I'm gonna get in the gym. I love my body the way it is. However, I want to be able to wear what I want to wear. I want to be comfortable in my body as it is, but I want to be comfortable. So I've been hitting the gym Monday to Friday. I don't hit the gym on weekends. That's my rest day. There was this one time where I didn't go to the gym for like a week and a half because I was sick, but that's besides the point. But I've pretty much been consistent. So I ordered a few things to help me on my weight journey that I'm trying to go on. So and then I also have some cute things, a cute thing here I want to show you guys. It came in this box, of course. I've already opened it. So this is the a poly gel kit that I ordered on Amazon. This video is not sponsored. These are just things that I ordered and I thought it would be cool for you guys to see a little unboxing. So this is the nail tool here, sorry, and more tools. So I'm also in a year of doing it yourself. So I wanted to learn how to do my nails, and I watched some few YouTube videos and they were like, oh, poly gel is easy for you to learn on your nails. So that's why I got it. So this is the Morven poly gel nail kit. It comes with the LED lamp, nail extension. It comes with some poly gels. You get to choose which kind of poly gel colors that you wanted. So this is all the way. I hope you guys can see it. The camera's focused. There it is. Boom. And I picked the I believe I picked the all seasons ones because they have aquamarine, bright colors, dark violet, lemon type of color scheme vibes. So I thought this would be super cool. I will be doing some videos on here when I learn how to do a poly gel nails. Pretty excited about that. Next thing on my list is this box that I just opened. So like I said, weight loss is what we're on. We're trying to get our bodies snatched for summer 2022, and we ain't playing out here. So I got a K cup machine. So I got some weight loss tea for the K cup. I just wanted something more of the bloating and kind of detox tea is what I was looking for. But so I'm gonna try these. These over here. So let me read what it says in the description here. It's a waist trainer for women that hides your belly fat. It's a one size fits all. And on my days where I'm not working out, I want to have something to wear around the house, or even if they say you can wear it underneath your clothes, it won't show. And also, yeah, so I got that. What else is in the box? Oh, this is a resistant band set. You know, you see those girls on Instagram or whatever, when they're working out, they have this band around their thighs to do squats and all that. I had one before, don't know where I put it, so I ordered one. They come in 3 sets, and I think it was like $7. These were, oh, these were $13.49, almost $14 or so. So I hope you guys can see it. Okay, so these are what it look like. They come in threes. So I got that when I do my squats and stuff. So these are what came in the box. I have another box here. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, because I had what is it called? Gel nail polish. I wanted a gel nail polish remover. It removes nail polishes. That's pretty much it. Just a nail polish remover. It didn't come with the kit, so I ordered one for me. It's Pro Tone. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And I tell you, I'm gonna be heavily in doing my nails as well. So don't mind my crusty nails. That's why we're learning. And then the last box I have here. Oh, I have a fat burner. Again, for my workout. Trying to get in shape for 2022 summer. We are hot girls out here. So this is the fat burner that I got. So yeah, I've used it before and it was pretty good. I also got a hot cream for my my sweet sweat that I wear when I go to the gym. I got a hot cream that I can put under to wear it. So there you go. And then I also got another this is a waist trainer. It says it's a, let me read the direction because it's supposed to do something that the others that I have don't. So give me a second. Let's take a look. Okay. So this is a, I think that the company is called Hopeling. Again, this is not sponsors. This is just things that I found and thought they would be cool to help me with my journey on being healthier, shaping my body and all that. So this is the company name is Hopeling, Hoplynn. It's a neoprene sweat waist trainer corset. It's a shaper, well, I guess it's a shaper belt. It has a sweat. Oh, whatever. So yeah, whatever it's called. So these are my products. Well, not my products. These are the products I'm using to help me get in the shape that I want to get for 2022 summer. Because you know we're taking trips out here. You know, we're showing off our body out here. Not like that now, but like we're hot mamas out here. So we made it do what it do. If you have any questions regarding this product, I'll try to link them down below in case you want to go check them out. If you have any questions or concerns, you can like hit me up in the comment below, or you know. So let me link my social media real quick. Let me tell you guys where you can find me. I also bought these that I have not used yet. I have not opened. So I've seen these things on Instagram. Instagram, and I think TikTok too, where they have this little ball connected and they shake their hips to have the ball go around. It's supposed to help with your core, I guess. So I got these. I am going to show you guys the name of it. Did I order the blue one? Or was it the pink one? It is. I thought I ordered the pink one. Anyways, don't matter, but let me show you guys what it looks like as well. And like I said, all these products will be listed down below, so you can go check them out if you want. So this is what it looks like. Oh, focus camera, focus. This is what it looks like. So you see the ball thing right there, and then you just, you know, it's like a hula hoop, but the ball goes all the way around. It's supposed to be good to help you with your core. So it's called Hoop Fit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I have a bunch of new videos coming out, so please stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment. If you have any questions, you can, if you want to be friends, if you want to be, you know, friends with your girl, you can hit me up on Instagram. And my Instagram name is, if you're not already on my Instagram, it's Nikki_Brown 2.0. There we go. Boom. Hit me up on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now. Excited. I just created a TikTok. So my TikTok is that girl Nikki 2. I hope you can see it. I will put my links down below as well. So no, focus. There we go. Hit me up on Instagram. Just created that. So, and I'm also consistently on Snapchat. So let's go to my little Snapchat. Not trying on me. Okay, and this is my Snapchat. Just focus. And this is my Snapchat. You can hit me up, and it is Nikki Brown 2.0 as well. Here it says, follow me. I'm exciting. Follow me. You know what I mean? It's a little. Alright, I do want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is definitely going to be a part 1 because I'm going to name this probably like my 2022 must have for a hot girl summer or something like that, and then do part 1, and then part 2 is coming because I got lots of products that I want to order just to kind of, I got some hygiene products for the summer that I want to order and show you guys as well that I'm going to be using. I have some Fashion Nova hauls, some Pretty Little Things. All that is coming soon. Be patient with me because your girl, she's the mommy. She's booked and busy. I have a full-time job. I have a mommy's job. So just stay tuned with me. When I drop a video, I drop a video. At this point, I'm just not going to tell you guys a day. And just drop when I drop. I need to figure out a day of the week to just drop a video so that way you guys are expecting it on a specific date. But I'm still working on that. Bear with me. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys. Bye.